Hi, boys and girls. What's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Oh, yes. Wow. Do you know where is it? Oh, this is a farm. Yes, I can see a lot of farm animals. Wow, the first one. Do you know what animal is this? Do you know what animal is it? Oh, I can see a cat. Yes, a cat. A cat. Can you pretend to be a cat? Can you pretend to be a cat? Meow, meow. Yes, a cat. A cat. What animal can you see? What animal is this? Oh, yes, it's a horse. 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 Can you pretend to be a horse? Yes, a horse. Horse. The horse makes sound. Next one. Can you see? Oh, what animal can you see? What animal is this? Yes, pig. A pig. Pig. Okay, very good. Pig. How does the pig sound? How does the pig sound? Oink, 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 oink. Yes, pig, pig. Next one. What animal can you see? What animal can you see? Yes, a duck. Duck. Yes, duck. How do the ducks sound? Yes. Quack, 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 quack. Is this a duck? Yes. Very good. And the next one, can you tell me what animal is this? Yes. What animal is this? Oh, it's a dog. It's a dog. Dog. Yes, it's a dog. How many animals can you see? How many animals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animals. Yes, 5 animals. See you later. Goodbye. Yes.